A for apple. B for ball. C for me. D for bow. Bow to the dog. E for F for fish. G for gorilla.
H for Arush, H for बोलो.
H for house. H for
Hen.
hen.
Ah, yes, cuckoo.
Cuckoo. I for